Looking for new earbuds for 2026? The JBL Wave Flex 2 might be the answer, but is it truly worth your investment? Let's find out. And just a quick heads up. The links for this product with the best prices I could find are already down in the description, okay? And when it comes to audio, how does it really perform? The answer lies in balance. Unlike its previous version, the Wave Flex 2 offers a more complete and balanced sound. The lows are present and well-defined, the mids bring clarity to vocals and instruments, and the highs are crisp without being harsh. It's a very pleasing overall sound quality for various music genres. The only caveat is that the maximum volume is slightly lower compared to its predecessor. It seems to be a conscious trade-off in favor of a more refined sound quality without distortion. But great sound needs a great fit, especially when you're on the move. And in this regard, the stability of the Wave Flex 2 is impressive. In my experience, it's excellent for runs and gym workouts, staying firmly in place. And this secure fit translates into comfort for long hours of use, without causing any discomfort. For those who work out, the IP54 protection ensures resistance against dust and sweat splashes, making it a reliable partner for your exercises. The autonomy is one of its strongest points. You get 10 hours of continuous use from the earbuds, plus another 30 hours provided by the charging case, totaling an impressive 40 hours of battery life. And if you're in a hurry, the fast charging is efficient. 10 minutes of charging provides 3 hours of music. And for calls and meetings, will your voice be heard with clarity? It comes equipped with 2 microphones on each side. The quality is more than sufficient for daily use, performing best in indoor environments or places with little noise. It can handle a bit of wind on outdoor calls, but the maximum clarity of your voice will be achieved in more controlled spaces. The experience is complemented by the JBL Headphones app. In it, you can customize the audio with the equalizer and use the Find My Buds feature. It's worth noting that it doesn't have active noise cancellation or ANC, but it makes up for it with TalkThru and Ambient Aware features, allowing you to hear your surroundings when needed. So, at the end of the day, who is this earbud for? It's the ideal choice for anyone seeking comfort, long-lasting battery life, and a balanced sound for music and physical activities. For a price around $45 to $70, it positions itself as a very solid option. But if you're looking for something a bit different, perhaps with active noise cancellation, it's worth checking out our review of the JBL Tune Flex 2. So, that was my complete review. If you've decided this is the right product for you and want to support the curation work I do here, consider using the affiliate links in the description. I've already sought out the best deals to make it easier for you. When you buy through them, you don't pay anything extra, but you directly help the channel continue to create honest, detailed reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.